Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At itong inyong energy update ngayong June 16 to 30, 2024. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Okay. Let's see, Taurus. Ano yung energies coming to you? June 16 to 30, second half ng June. Okay. Wow, there is success coming in. You have the Six of Swords. You are moving on. You are moving forward. Maalis ka na sa isang toxic situation, conflict, kung meron ka nakaaway, or conflict with someone, umiiwas ka na. Oo. Mas gusto mo ngayon ng peace of mind, katahimikan. I think, no, kung kayo nagkaroon ng problema ng person mo, romantically, pwede nga ayusin nyo yan. Okay? Lalo na kung may pag-walk out na naganap, yung tipong umalis, pwedeng, parang almost breaking up, no? Yung relationship ninyo. But I think you will work on it. Aayusin nyo. Let's see your overall energy. You have the Six of Wands. You are glowing. Maraming tao nakakapansin sa'yo ngayon. Oo, pwedeng mas pinagbigyan nyo ng focus attention yung sarili ninyo. Like, you are taking care of yourself, doing some self-care, you know. And also, there's also recognition sa'yo sa workplace or sa career ninyo. Mas lalo kayong nakikilala. You have the Ten of Swords as a challenge. I think, there's going to be an ending na para sa'yo, mahirap na pagdaanan, but there are people who are very supportive of you kahit na merong challenges. Masasabi mo na kinaya mo kasi merong mga taong tumulong sa'yo, hindi nawala sa tabi mo. Your opportunity is the Page of Wands. I feel like mas ka ngayon, mas energetic, mas open ka sa mga bagong experiences. Pwedeng may opportunity ka to travel to places na you've never been before. This is going on an adventure. So medyo adventurous ka ngayon, trying new things na dati hindi mo ginagawa or outside of your comfort zone. Example, dati ayaw mo ng mga extreme sports or extreme hobbies, pero ngayon you're trying, no? Sinusubukan mo na mag-skydiving, mag-paragliding, yung mga ganyan na dati kinatatakutan mo. So your blessing is the Justice card. So this is a karma card as well. Pwedeng isa sa blessing mo is you are getting what you deserve. Like, kung alam mong meron kang mga in-effortan, pinaghirapan, makukuha mo yung rewards na yon kasi you're going to be successful. And then, this is also karma. Karma doon sa mga tao na merong hindi magandang intentions towards you or pwedeng niloko ka. So, sa money, career, finances, you have the Page of Swords, Nine of Pentacles. This is a new knowledge, no? Bagong kaalaman para mas mapaunlad mo yung iyong finances. So, yung iba, may bago kang interest, you are researching. Let's say, tinatry mong trade sa stock market. Siyempre, hindi ka naman basta-basta magte-trade sa stock market nang wala kang alam or papasok sa trading ng cryptocurrencies kung wala kang alam doon. So, you will educate yourself. You are learning and this is going to bring success in your finances, in your career. Pwede rin merong training opportunities sa'yo sa trabaho that will bring you success in your job. No? Pwedeng may bagong opportunity for promotion. So sa relationship, you have the Hierophant and the Eight of Pentacles. So kung ikaw ay engaged na, no, nagpo-focus ka ngayon, kayo ng partner mo sa pag-iipon. Oo, gusto niyo makaipon for your preparation sa inyong marriage. If you are single, I think there is someone na parang may interest sa'yo, like, this can be someone na mas matanda sa'yo or someone in authority, like example, your boss, your trainer, your coach. Kasi nakikita nila na you are someone who is hardworking, who really takes care of yourself. What is the Six of Wands? The Empress, oh my God, oh, this is your energy. This is abundance. Oh, 'di ba? Nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina na inaalagaan nyo na talaga yung sarili nyo ngayon. So, mas nagiging attractive kayo. Mas maraming nakakapansin sa inyo. The Lover, Ten of Swords. So, some of you, if you are in a relationship na medyo toxic or hindi mo na kaya, pwede ring there's a separation, okay? But I also see na pwedeng meron kayong aayusin na relationship. Oh my God, oh, Two of Vessels. Clarify. So, this is about pag-aayos ng relationship. Ito yung tipong naghiwalay pero saglit lang. Tapos, maaayos nyo rin naman sa tulong rin ng ibang mga taong nakapaligid sa inyo na supportado yung relationship ninyo. Let's see, what is the Page of Wands? Four of Vessels. Yeah, I think yung mga missed opportunities mo noon, no? Ngayon, gagawin mo na, no? Ngayon, may chance ka na na-explore yan. Siyempre, di ba, nung mas bata tayo, mas, hindi pa ganun kadami yung resources natin, although gusto natin mag-travel, gusto natin kumain ng ganitong pagkain, hindi natin magawa kasi we are still, kumbaga, reliant pa tayo sa parents natin. But for some of you, meron na kayong pagkakataon na magawa yung mga bagay na hindi nyo nagawa sa sarili ninyo nung medyo broke pa kayo. So, yung iba sa inyo ngayon, you will pamper yourself and experience something new dahil you want it for your soul's growth. So, the Justice card is clarified by the Queen of Vessels. I feel like mas magiging tender and sensitive sa sarili mo with your needs and expressive of your feelings sa mga taong pinahahalagahan mo. No? Yung mga talagang mahal mo. What is the Page of Swords? You have the Four of Swords and the Five of Swords. So, there's some sort of competition sa trabaho. Pwedeng ikaw, hindi ka ganun ka-competitive, pero competitive sila sa'yo. Kasi pwedeng tinitingnan nila yung bawat kilos mo, no? Pwedeng sa career yan, mga kakompetensya mo rin sa business, or mga co-workers mo na parang kakompetensya mo sa promotion. Oo. So, it seems na, halimbawa, pag nakita nila nagtitraining ka, gusto rin nila mag-training rin sila para, may nakikipag-kompetensya sa'yo. Oo. What is the Hierophant? You have the Hanged Man. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng pinag-iisipan kung ipopostpone yung kasal, no? Or yung mga major na decisions ninyo sa relationship ninyo. Lalo na if it's something to do with money, no? Pagdating sa pera, let's say, ngayong 2024 nyo, pag-desisyon na magpakasal, pero upon checking, hindi pa pala kayo financially stable. So, maaring bibigyan nyo muna ng time yung sarili nyo na makapag-ipon para ma-achieve nyo yung mga goals ninyo for your relationship. You have peace. Ayan mas gusto mo ngayon ng katahimikan ng isip. You will experience peace and quiet and serenity. You also have energy ng yin. Yin is about a feminine energy which is very, very receptive. Maaring mas magiging sensitive ka sa feelings mo in a good way, no? Na tipong alam mo agad if there is something wrong in a situation. So, nagagawan mo agad yun ng paraan. Okay? You have free spirit. Give yourself the space and freedom to express your creativity. Wow. So, I feel like isa to sa mga explore ninyo, yung creative talents and skills ninyo, na kung saan mas makikilala kayo, mas maraming taong makaka-appreciate sa mga talento ninyo, sa skill set ninyo, at anything na you can bring to the table, no? Yung mga kaya mong ipresenta sa maraming tao. So, there's a lot of opportunities to be recognized. Ayan. And I think, the more na mas mahal mo or you are passionate about your career, your business, or even your relationship, the more na mas makakaramdam ka ng success doon, no? The more that you're going to be more successful kasi you are genuine, you are true to yourself. Totoo ka sa sarili mo, sa gusto mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Bye.